This is a 2008 Stahl B26 continuous feed paper folding system with 8-page unit, 16-page unit, a pneumatic gatefold unit, and a mobile delivery. This unit also has pre-slitter shafts. If you have any questions regarding this equipment, you call and contact our sales department or visit us at boggsequipment.com. Or if it's an auction item, you can check the listing. This unit is powered on 220 volts, 3-phase power. We'll demonstrate it operating. There's 4 plates in the parallel, 4 plates in the 8-page, and 4 plates in the 16-page. And this is a 2008 Stahl B26 continuous feed paper folder.